Hello everyone, welcome to First Chance Media Production. Please subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon for more updates.
Today's topic is Nokia 9. Nokia used to be one of the world's biggest mobile phone manufacturer, but it fell behind with the advent of iPhone and Android smartphones. In 2014, Nokia's devices and services division was sold to Microsoft. In 2016, Finnish company HMD Global bought a part of Microsoft's feature phone business and has a license agreement that allows it to make smartphones under the Nokia brand. Nokia 9 is an upcoming smartphone by Nokia. The phone is rumored to come with a 5.30-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2560 pixels. The Nokia 9 is expected to be powered by quad-core Snapdragon 835 processors and come with 4 GB of RAM. The phone is rumored to pack 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nokia 9 is rumored to pack a 22 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 12 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 9 is rumored to run Android 7.1 and be powered by a 3800 mAh non-removable battery. The Nokia 9 tipped to be a single SIM GSM. Connectivity options are set to include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, 3G and 4G.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe FC Production.